How to get CapCut Logi Intro Effect. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get CapCut Logi Intro Effect. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we need to head over to our CapCut right here. And then let's just wait for this to load. Then from in there, just click on New Project. And then let's click on this. And after you click on your new project, you can just choose a video that you want to use. So for me, I will choose this video. Click on add. And as you can see, this is a video of a cute dog. So I will just need to trim it because I want it to be just 6 seconds long. And then from in there, what I need to do next is I need to apply some effects. So to do that, I can just click on effects right here. And then click on video effects. And then from in there, you can just look for texture on here, this right here. Let's look for it. And then from in there, you can just add in doodle diary. This is it right here. Click on that. As you can see, it will download first, and here it is. Just click on adjust right here and make sure that the texture is 0. The speed is at 100, sticker 0. Let's put it to 0 right here. Filter is also 0. So as you can see, it is just like that. So the next thing you need to do is just click on check right here. And then make sure to adjust it until the end of the video. Now once you have done that, you just need to add in another effect again, which is to add in a black and white to this specific video. So to do that, just click on filters. And then from in there, you can just put in a black and white thing right there. Here it is, the mono. Just click on this Casablanca if you're on the premium version. But if you're not on the premium version, you can just click on this night scenes right here, or anything that actually adjusts to your liking. You can also head over and put in video effects again. And then from in there, you can just add in a black and white filter. You can just search in here for black. And there should be these things right here, this black and white films. You can just use that. And as you can see, it will be like this. So just click on cancel right here and click on check. Then make sure to adjust it until the end of the video also. And now once you have done that, you just need to make the video smaller, just like this. Then after that, just click on this export. And then make sure to export it at the lowest quality, which is the 480 pixels. And then export it from in there. And then as you can see, you will be exported. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to get CapCut Logi Intro Effect. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to solve them. Thanks.